Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling a common issue that many people face when setting up firewall services. The problem we're diving into today revolves around the confusion surrounding the Protocols tab in Firewalld. You see, when configuring ports for a service, you're already specifying the protocol for certain ports. But what exactly does the Protocols tab do differently? Let's unravel this mystery together. In the solution provided, we learned that the Protocols tab in Firewalld adds a rule for the protocol as a whole, without any specific port filtering. This means that if you allow UDP in the Protocols tab, you're essentially allowing all of UDP, regardless of the port numbers being used. So, why wasn't it enough to just set the UDP ports under the Ports tab? Well, it's likely because there are additional UDP ports in use that weren't accounted for, or the direction of the traffic flow was incorrect. Remember, both UDP and TCP have two port numbers, and firewall rules typically only match one of them. In summary, when dealing with Firewalld and setting up services, it's crucial to understand the nuances of specifying protocols and port numbers. By utilizing the Protocols tab, you're allowing or blocking entire protocols, while the Port tab allows you to set specific port numbers for certain protocols. If you ever run into connectivity issues, don't hesitate to enable logging for blocked packets, or use a packet capture tool to analyze the traffic. And remember, troubleshooting is all part of the learning process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. Your support means the world to us.